Welcome to XXL. It's another day, so another X-MAXX.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure.
We're going to be running my OG 6S X-MAXX, although it's not 6S anymore. When I originally bought this, it was the original X-MAXX. I bought this back in 2016. It's been through a lot. Minimal issues with it. You know, I've had a couple common wear issues where the drive pins on the axles have worn out and broken, but I mean, that's to be expected when you're out here beating on this thing all the time. But a couple years ago, I decided to give it the ultimate X-MAXX treatment, and everything has been upgraded on it to the 8S spec. I got the HD Arms on there, and I upgraded the power system. Got the Castle Creations Mamba Monster X8S ESC, and one of the Coke can motors. It's the 800 kV censored. It's got the WFO mod 1.5 gears. That's a 30-35 gear set, and the WFO Racing motor mount. This thing's an absolute beast. If you want to know more about it, I did do a video on this one before, so I'll put a link up above and I'll also put it in the description. For batteries today, we've got these Spectrum Smart batteries. It's 5,000 milliamp hour, 4-cell, 50C. Batteries are all loaded up. Turn on our transmitter here. Turn on the ESC. Sounds like it's good to go. We got steering, forward, reverse. Now we do have a special body on this one. I did a video on how to do this paint technique with the Dawn Power Wash dish soap. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link to it in the video as well as into the description. It's a really cool effect that Dawn Power Wash gives it. It's a little bit different than the other dish soap video that I did, but what an awesome, like, unique pattern that it puts down on here. Enough about that. If you want to know more about that, check out that other video. Let's get to ripping this thing. That's the downside of having no wheelie bar on this one. When it kicks back, rips that body right off. All good. I'm not light on this thing. It just takes it like a champ. Holy cow. Well, so much for a brand new, freshly painted body, huh? To put that roof skid on there. Well, that was a pretty tough tumble. I got nothing. So let's see. I'm betting one of the batteries just came unplugged. Okay, both batteries came unplugged. All right, well, I'm gonna plug those back up and then we'll continue. Oh, okay. Whew. Thought I broke something. There's just a stick in there. Okay. Did good. Well, I guess that's one way to end it. Right when I hit that jump there, it hit the low voltage detection. It did a front flip because it lost power, and looks like we lost a pin here, and we got a wheel that's just flopping. So that's definitely gonna do it for today. I don't think yeah, I think the pin just kind of popped out. It's right there. Nothing's broke, it doesn't look like. Well, maybe that hole's stretched a little bit in there, but perfect timing. It broke right when it hit low voltage detection. Wow, that thing is awesome. Sometimes I forget how amazing it is. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. It's awesome to have everybody here. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. And I will see you guys in the next video.